Today I have shared some questions about ISRO. First one, what is the old name of ISRO? What is the old name of ISRO? Answer, Indian National Committee for Space Research. ISRO. It is set up by the Government of India in 1962 as envisaged by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. ISRO was formed on August 15, 1969 and superseded ISRO with an expanded role to harness space technology. Second question, who was the Prime Minister of India when Indian Space ISRO was formed? Who was the Prime Minister of India when Indian Space ISRO was formed? We celebrated his birthday as a Children's Day. Yes, good. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The Indian National Committee for Space Research was set up in 1962 by Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on the suggestion of the scientist Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, recognizing the need in space research. Third question, who is the first woman CEO of ISRO? First woman CEO. Answer is Anuradha TK. Answer is Anuradha TK. Anuradha TK was born in Bangalore, Karnataka in 1961. She is the senior most female scientist at ISRO and also the first woman to become a satellite project director at ISRO. Fourth question, who was the first person to enter into the space? You know very well. His name? No. Other one name. Yuri Gagarin. You know that? Yuri Gagarin was a Soviet pilot and cosmonaut who aboard the first successful crewed space flight became the first human to journey into outer space. First person to enter the space. Fifth one. What is the name of the first woman space tourist? Space tourist. First woman space tourist. Answer is Anusha Ansari from Iran. Anusha Ansari, an Iranian-born American businesswoman who was the first female space tourist. Ansari lifted off into space on September 18, 2006. She was spent 8 days in the space station. Sixth question, how many space forces are there in India? Space Force launch is place. 436. Answer is 3. 3 space forces are there in India. There are 3 sports in India. Space Force in India. First one, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center in Thiruvananthapuram. Satish Dhawan Space Center in Andhra Pradesh. Dr. Abdul Kalam Island in Odisha. Seventh one, which is the primary space force of ISRO? These 3 centers. These 3 in the 3 centers, which is the primary space force of ISRO? Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Okay. Space Center at Sriharikota, the Space Force of India, is responsible for providing launch-based infrastructure for the Indian space program. Okay. Third, eighth one, which is the second space force in India at Tamil Nadu. I give one clue. It is in Toothukudi district. Answer is Kulasegarapattinam. Kulasegarapattinam Space Force Center at Toothukudi. Kulasegarapattinam Space Force is being developed as the second space force of the Indian Space Research Organization near Kulasegarapattinam town of southern India. The facility is being constructed over 2,350 acres. And the one which is the largest center of ISRO in India. Largest center. That also Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Okay. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center is the lead center of ISRO responsible for the design and development of launch vehicle technology. Last question. Which is the largest space force in the world? Baikonur Cosmodrome. Okay. Baikonur Cosmodrome is largest space force operated by Russia within Kazakhstan. All Russian crewed space flights are launched from Baikonur. Okay, thank you. Thought of the day. Failures are the stepping stones to success, and ISRO has learned valuable lessons from every setback. Repeat after me. Failures are the stepping stones to success. And ISRO has learned valuable lessons from every setback.